Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we're diving deep into human connection. Specifically, what really makes a strong first impression and, builds that genuine rapport. We look at some really compelling insights here, things that can help you navigate social stuff with maybe a bit more ease, more impact. Our mission really is to pull out actionable wisdom, clear, simple points, good examples you can use right away. So picture this. You walk into a room, maybe a party, maybe a meeting. Those first few seconds can feel intense, right?
What if the other person seems a bit hesitant? Our first insight tackles this head-on, the power of conviction in early moments.
Yeah, this one's fascinating because it feels a bit counterintuitive. A lot of us read that initial awkwardness, maybe the first, say, 5, 10, 15 seconds where there isn't instant warmth. We read that as rejection.
Right, and back off.
Exactly. You might disengage. But what we've seen is that people who just kind of stay relaxed, stay present through that brief moment, often find that barrier just melts. It's almost like a little test,
So writing it out actually leads somewhere better. Often, yeah, to laughter connection. So it makes you wonder, are you letting that tiny bit of early discomfort derail a potential connection before it even starts?
That's a really good question. Okay, so you've navigated that initial moment. What about what you actually say? Our next point is pretty direct. Ditch the dull opening lines. We all know the ones.
Oh, definitely. A huge takeaway is just moving beyond those really common, frankly boring habits. Think about dating apps or even just meeting someone at an event. The endless hey messages or...
You come here often, that old classic.
Right. Or what's your major? They don't make you stand out. They don't invite real conversation, a much better approach. Something simple, portable, like hey, I don't think we've met yet. I'm name.
Simple. Yeah.
Yeah, and it subtly suggests you're someone who connects with people. Or asking something a bit more engaging than, what do you do?
Like asking about their week or something unexpected.
Exactly. Something that opens the door to an actual story, not just a label.
Okay, moving beyond that very first line. This next one gets really interesting. Point 3. Cultivate standards beyond surface-level beauty. What are we often missing when we think about attraction or connection?
Well, zooming out a bit, a lot of people focus so much on physical appearance, they forget to have standards for everything else. Think about it. If someone looks amazing, but they're rude to the waiter, or just generally unkind or cold.
Yeah, that would be a turnoff for most people, or it should be.
Right. People genuinely want to be valued for who they are inside, their character, their personality. So the goal isn't just to compliment someone, it's to show you recognize specific positive qualities in them.
So instead of just, you look great.
Try something like, I really admire how passionate you are about that. Or, wow, I love how funny you are. Or even, most people wouldn't have just jumped on the dance floor like that with me.
Ah, I see. It shifts things. It's not putting them on a pedestal.
Exactly. It's about genuinely seeing if there's a good match based on things that actually matter for a connection. You're filtering for substance.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, let's talk physicality. Point 4 is command your space with body language. How important is our nonverbal presentation?
Oh, it's huge. Absolutely fundamental. So many people unconsciously kind of shrink themselves. They keep their hands close, elbows tucked in, making this sort of tiny little box around themselves.
I can picture that.
But when you consciously lift your elbows a bit, use your full arm to gesture naturally, of course you fill your own space more completely. You don't need to get into anyone else's space, just own yours.
And that changes how you come across.
Massively. You seem more dynamic, more captivating. It even tends to help you speak a bit louder, project more confidence. It's a powerful nonverbal signal.
Okay, final point, and this really ties it all together. Embrace the no superiors mindset for true confidence. What's the core idea here?
This is really the bedrock, I think. It's remembering that fundamentally there are no superiors. Whether you're talking to your boss, a potential investor, someone you find really attractive, at the end of the day, you're always just dealing with people.
Just human beings.
Exactly. And the people we connect with most deeply. It's usually through shared joy, fun, genuine interests. Not by being super prim and proper or trying too hard to impress. Real confidence often includes a willingness to be imperfect, to make mistakes, to just be human.
So less trying to convince people.
And more just inviting them to connect. Offering an interaction, not demanding approval. It's a much more grounded and frankly more attractive way to be.
So, wrapping this up, what does all this mean for you listening? These insights aren't about becoming someone else. It's more about refining how you connect, how you show up, making those interactions feel more authentic and ultimately more impactful.
Yeah, and maybe it leaves you with a question to ponder. How might truly embracing your own space, your own genuine standards, and, that freedom to just be human,
Yeah.
how might that transform your confidence and your connections starting today?